Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. You're new here, first time here. This is Bigelow Woodcraft, and what we're doing is we're doing stuff dealing with wood. Today we have a sugar maple on here. It's going to be hard maple, and we're going to cut this into 1.5 by 8. "14 feet 10 inches, big end 20, $17.5. So what are we looking at here? How many BDF? Let's say 17, 12, 14, 150 board feet. Nice. How's the band? I think we can get through this. We'll get through this log. So that'll be it. My son's just about to pull in, so he's got the grandkids. He's heading to Florida tomorrow, so I'm going to stop and go see them. And then we'll be right back out here. All right, before we get started, again, we got this sugar maple on here, hard maple. 1.5 by 8 is what I'm shooting for. But I want to give a shout out to Weekend Warrior 802, Chris. This is his shirt. Check out his channel, nice channel. He's got a Woodlands Mills, 130 maybe? And he does a lot of homesteading stuff and tractor stuff and chainsaw stuff. Great guy, check out Weekend Warrior 802. charge these the other day. They didn't charge. Yeah, we got a little wave in there. I see that's a knot. That maple, these sugar maple, these are hard. You heard the motor probably bogged down a couple of times. I do have a wave. Oh, we forgot to cut. I'll cut that another day. Those are just gonna be 1x5s. Or inch.
Oh.
I don't know. I'm gonna cut with those. Yeah, I'm not sure. But this is done. This is for another customer. He needed 6 of them, and he's got 7 of them. This one has significant waning. I think 1 or 2 of them do. And he needs 2 12-footers and 4 8-footers. So these are, what, were they 14 foot long, I think they were? Close to it. So he's got plenty here to do what he's got to do. We got Jill back out here. That's nice. And don't forget, guys, there's always a link in the description if you want to find her books. She's written a couple of books, from Tree to Lumber with Papa Jerry, and what's the other one called?
Papa Jerry and the Tractor Wagon Ride.
Yeah, Papa Jerry and the Tractor Wagon Ride. And I'll put some pictures of the books here at the end. So, all right, guys, take care. We'll see you out here next time.
Have a good one.